Hello again, Shirley McIntyre, and I'm back with part 2 of my Ireland Viral 5 Quick Start Guide review. This time I'm going to be focusing on the viral law number 2, which speaks about removing the creative burden. So, we know it's important when starting to be a business to have an action in order to not get overwhelmed, not knowing what to do, and as a result, if we don't have an action plan, we will somehow have or end up having a creative burden. So for this law, Vincent spoke about following a step-by-step process that will assist in alleviating any creative burden that can occur. When we just start out, we're given the tools, we're given access to a university, and each training course has its own step-by-step process to follow. And by following these steps and being consistent in doing what is set out, we will achieve results in this Ireland business. So that is law number 2, and I'll be back soon to review viral law number 3. So until next time, remember to check out more details in the description box below. Peace.